Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the blood supply, lymphatic drainage and nerve supply of the cecum. In previous video we already learned about the introduction, shape, types of cecum, dimensions, relations and interior of the cecum. Coming to the video, blood supply and lymphatic drainage of cecum. Okay, the cecum is supplied by the anterior and posterior cecal branches of ileocholic artery, a branch of superior mesenteric artery. Once again, cecum is supplied by anterior and posterior cecal branches of ileocholic artery, a branch of superior mesenteric artery. Okay, I show you diagram, you may understand clearly. This is the main branch, superior mesenteric artery. Superior mesenteric artery is the main branch. It gives the branch of ileocholic artery, from where anterior and posterior cecal artery are arises, which supplies the cecum. Okay, which supplies blood to the cecum. Anterior and posterior cecal arteries arises from the ileocholic artery, which is a branch of superior mesenteric artery. These anterior and posterior cecal arteries supply blood to the cecum. Okay, veins of cecum follows the arteries. Veins of cecum follows the arteries and drain into the superior mesenteric vein, which finally drain into the portal system. Once again for you, veins of cecum follows the arteries which drain into the superior mesenteric artery. Here artery is also same, superior mesenteric artery, here superior mesenteric vein, which finally drains into the portal system. Next, lymph vessels. Lymph vessels from the cecum drain into the ileocholic lymph nodes, which in turn drain into the superior mesenteric group of pre-aortic lymph nodes. Once again for you, lymph vessels from the cecum. Lymph vessels from the cecum drain into the ileocholic lymph vessels, which in turn drain into the superior mesenteric group of pre-aortic lymph nodes. Same thing continued here also. Here lymph nodes are which type? Ileocholic, and it's drain into the superior mesenteric group. Okay, and it's drain into the lymph nodes, pre-aortic lymph nodes. Okay, lymph vessels from the cecum drain into the ileocholic lymph nodes, which in turn drain into the superior mesenteric group of pre-aortic lymph nodes. Next, nerve supply. The sympathetic nerve supply is derived from the T11 and L1 spinal segments through superior mesenteric fluxes. The parasympathetic nerve supply is derived from both vagus nerves. Once again I am reading for you. Sympathetic nerve supply is derived from the T11 and L1 spinal segments through superior mesenteric fluxes. Here also same name, superior mesenteric lymph nodes, superior mesenteric fluxes, superior mesenteric vein, superior mesenteric artery, all are same. Which one? Superior mesenteric. Here plexus. And the parasympathetic nerve we also know well, that is vagus nerve. Parasympathetic nerve supply is derived from the vagus nerve. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Coming to the parts, this is the arterial supply of cecum and appendix. Superior mesenteric artery gives the branch to ileocholic artery. This ileocholic artery gives rises the anterior and posterior cecal arteries, which supplies the cecum. Okay, I think it is clear to you. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.